Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up premium invoices in Policygenius, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your premium invoices in Policygenius, log into your Policygenius account. Navigate to the dashboard where your policies and invoices are displayed. Locate the section labeled Invoices or Billing on the main menu. Click on the Invoices option to view all your premium invoices. You will see a list of all invoices associated with your policies. Select the invoice you wish to back up by clicking on it. When the invoice opens, look for the download or print option, usually represented by an icon. Click the download icon to save the invoice to your device. Choose a preferred location on your device to save the file. Rename the file if necessary for easy identification later. Confirm the download process completes successfully. Repeat the process for any additional invoices you wish to back up. After downloading, consider organizing the invoices into a designated folder for easy access. If you prefer to back up multiple invoices at once, see if there's a bulk download option available. Review all downloaded invoices for accuracy. You may also want to consider backing up your invoices in cloud storage for added security. Regularly repeat this process to ensure your invoice records are up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.